What is up, course heroes? Welcome to yet another video. This is your boy Amit, and today we are going to look at how to set up a book funnel using system.io. Let's get started. So I'm inside my system dashboard. I am on the funnels tab for setting up this free plus shipping book offer. What I want to do first is go and create a physical product. So for that, let's head over to products and physical products. You'll notice I don't have any products here. So I'm going to click create. So here's the name of my book. I'm going to add a description. The SKU gets automatically generated, but if you want to change that SKU number, you can do that. I'm going to leave the tax blank and currency we'll leave to US dollars. And let's just price this book as the same price as our shipping, which is $9.95. And then I'm going to upload the cover of the book. If your product had item variations, let's say you're selling t-shirts, you can add those product variations here. For now, I'm going to leave this unchecked and hit save. Now, system does not have the ability to charge just for shipping and give the book away at 100% discount. And that is why I've charged the book at $9.95. Now what we're going to do is head over to our funnels tab. From here, I'm going to go and click create. I'm going to give it the same name as the name of the book. If you haven't seen my previous video, I walk you through how to set up a lead magnet funnel. And in that I had talked about custom domains. So I have 4 custom domains connected to my system account right now. And I'm going to use one of those. And then in this case, I'm going to choose sell. For the lead magnet funnel, we had selected build an audience. So I'm going to choose sell and then leave this currency as is and hit save. Now, in order for you to sell anything, you have to have a payment gateway connected. And in order to connect a payment gateway, you can click on your settings here and then simply go to payment gateways. And from here, you can choose which payment gateway you want to connect to. I'm currently connected with Stripe. But these are all the payment gateways system supports, and they are constantly expanding with new payment gateways. So back to our funnel, I'm going to click on this funnel here. And if this is your first time watching this video, I would highly recommend go check out the lead magnet funnel video. I will link to that. And the other thing to remember, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I release a new video. Back to our order form page. What I want to do here is look for a funnel that looks like a book funnel. Okay, this one looks like a book funnel here. Let's preview the template. Book name, perfect, looks good. So I'm going to go back and select that funnel. And just like that, our funnel is set up. Now we need to do a few more tweaks and we'll be off to the races. So first thing here, for the offer type, I'm going to choose a physical product. And since we already created a physical product, all I need to do is go in the drop down here and select that physical product and hit save. Now you can also apply any coupons here, but that just means that if someone has the coupon code, they will be able to use that. It doesn't necessarily mean that the coupon will be automatically applied. So just keep that in mind. And then you can also add an order bump. If you're selling this book, maybe you want to give expedited shipping and charge extra for that. And you can do that by choosing the order bump. For right now, I'm not going to do that. So let's delete the order bump. And from here, what we're going to do is go into editing, and I want to show you a few more tweaks that I want to adjust on this book funnel. And then we are ready to sell it. So first thing I want to do is get rid of some of these fields. I want the first and last name. I want the email. I don't want their phone number. So I'm going to get rid of that. I don't want the customer type either. So let's delete that. Same thing, this company name and company tax number, I don't care about. So let's just delete the whole row. And then the rest is good. Country, I'm only shipping in US. So I'm going to delete that as well. So this first part looks good. This is a 2-step checkout form. The one thing I'm missing here is the details for my book. So of course I can add all those details here. For example, I can change this image. So I've added my book's cover image. So we can have that here, your book's name, your description. Let's add the book name as well. And then what I want to do is I want to show that product info here as well. So for that, on the left side here, I'm going to look for physical product and then drag and drop that right here. So here's our book details. And then if I click on this settings, I can disable the quantity. So let's do that. Now I see that the description is showing here, but if I don't want this description to be showing, I can go into the physical product settings and delete that description from here. So now my customers will know what they are buying, and I'm going to do the same on my second step. So if you want to go from step 1 to step 2, you can click this settings gear icon, and then on step 2, just click the step 2 option here. I'm going to do a few things here. First is again deleting the customer type, and then I'm going to have that physical product added here again. And then same thing here, I'm going to hit the settings gear icon and disable quantity. Perfect. Now you can see that this pricing is too close to my payment options. So I'm going to click the settings gear icon and see if I can add some margins or padding. So I see margins here. Let's add a little bit of our margin to the top, and I also want to add some margin to the bottom. Perfect. This looks good. Now to change anything on the button as far as the color and the text, all of that can be done from here. So we have the step 2 checkout, which is right here. If you wanted to change that, you can call this payment details. And you can see that goes into effect right away on the heading. If I want to change the background of this button, again, I can go into the settings, choose the background to be a different color, and also change the button text from here, the button subtext, and also the footer, which is right here. So this looks good. Now the last thing I want to do here is save changes and preview it. Make sure that raw HTML element is looking good, which is this line right here. That looks good. I think everything is looking good here. Finally, what I want to do is go to my thank you page and make sure that's set up correctly. So I'm going to choose a generic thank you page here, and then let's go and edit it, make sure it has all the right information. What I like to do here is add an order summary. So I'm going to drag and drop the order summary. All right, so thank you page looks good. I don't need this button, so I'm just going to get rid of that. And other than that, everything's good. Of course, you can tweak the text, tweak the images, all that fun stuff can be done. So at this point, our funnel is pretty much ready. Let me show you the order form again. I'm going to call it the book funnel, and let's go and edit this one last time. I want to make sure everything is good here. We have the book name, we have the book cover, we have the guarantee seals, and also the image for your credit card. So I think we are in good shape to test it out. Now I'm not going to place this order, but I want to show you what this order form will look like. So let's grab this and go incognito. Here's my incognito window. So this is what the order form looks like right now. Again, so easy to customize all of this in Systeme, which is just awesome. So I have all my details here. I'm going to fill these out and then go to step 2. You can see it's showing the price of $9.95. All right, we have a random address in here. And what I forgot to do is say that this should lead to the final payment step. So let me go and change that on the button. So we're going to go back to our order form, go to its setting, and the button text should say continue to payment. So I have added that, and let's go and refresh our page and see if that change went into effect. So we have continue to payment here, and also step 2 payment details that matches. So let's hit continue, and here we go. Now our leads can see what the total cost is, and we have disabled the quantity option so they cannot purchase more than one. We have the book cover right here. This page is still the same. It's just a second step of the order form. Then once they put in their credit card details, they can hit the buy now button, and that will get the order into your Systeme account. And there you have it, course heroes. That is how easy it is to set up a book plus shipping funnel using Systeme.io. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you get notified next time I release a video. And until next time, keep creating.